How's it going, everyone? This is Adam Parks speaking. Today's episode will be all about this good anime I really like, known as Aria The Scarlet Ammo. It's on demand if you have cable, Comcast. So yeah, this anime, Aria, it's about this girl, this girl named Aria, and she's really a bad. She's a very bad girl who, well, I think she's a demon because she has horns on her head. The reason how she's so badass is because she carries two pistols. She carries two pistols. I don't know why, but yeah, that's dangerous. That's dangerous for a girl. I kind of like that. I like dangerous girls. But it also happens that she has her own slave. His name is Kenji. He's a slave to her because, well, let's just say there's a lot of perverted shots here, everyone. Lots of perverted things because it's animated. So, yeah, everyone. This anime I really like. There's like weapons and some crap, ghost, demon, wolf crap. But yeah, I just want to say this is a very good anime. So yeah, some of you, if you know this anime too, subscribe if you like it too. This is Adam Park signing off. Yeah, take care.